Bring the energy up a bit. How are you feeling tonight? Okay. Let the night roll in. Okay, so thank you so much. So this is the Two Rivers tour. So it's very important for us that you guys are here. Every stream, every share and every gig that you attend, give us the support to continue this music. So yeah, so let's just have a night full of memories. Let's make memories. Let's listen to some wonderful music. So I have a bunch of originals, so few songs that we all know. So we all will be singing. So let's fucking go. Okay? This song is called Popular Show. and this song is very close to my heart. It speaks about everything that sums up my life in Mumbai. So yeah, it's good to have you all here. So let's just go to the next song. The next song, this one keeps on running, right? This is called One More. दिल के कोने में बात जो कहने की सांस है दिल के कोने में एक राज बात जो कहने की सांस है Let's fucking go. Okay. So before we step on to the next one, I'd like to speak about the song a bit. This is for everyone who has ever been in love. Okay? So this song is called Ittefaq. Ittefaq means coincidence, right? So you might meet someone out of coincidence and you might fall in love with that person. So this is the whole sum up of that one thing called Ittefaq. So let's just okay, so this song is a bit mellow. So, yeah, so the vibe is mellow, but our vibe is not so. Just dance to it, okay? Hold each other's hand. Like, you know, if you have someone with you, just hold and enjoy the show. Let's go.